How to watch TikTok videos without having an account with TikTok or the app. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to watch TikTok videos without having an account with TikTok or neither the app. So first you have to go to your Chrome, to your Google Chrome right here. You see my Google Chrome. So you just click on it, then you search TikTok. You search TikTok. So we can see TikTok right here. So click on the first website here, click on it, and then here is it. So you can see that right here, that you can see the TikTok videos. So you can see the TikTok videos. So you can scroll, you can automatically play. So you can watch your favorite TikTok personal, and also being able to enjoy TikTok without having an account. But for me, I advise you to have the account, create an account with TikTok, because that is when it will enables you to being able to like videos. To like video, for example, if I want to like this video now, they will ask me to log in. So for example, let me click on the like button here. If I click on the like button, it will ask me, if I click on it, it will ask me to open a TikTok. So if I click on open a TikTok, it will dive me to the app because I've already got the app. So first, if you want to get the app, you can go to Google Play Store and download the app. Search for TikTok, and you will get the app TikTok, and you will get the app. So the app is approximately free, so you don't need to spend much to download the TikTok app. And also, you can easily sign up from the app and also enjoy and create your own content on TikTok. Thank you for watching. If you find this video informative, please like this video and subscribe.